I am going to show you how to get paid on YouTube or how to monetize your YouTube account. Whatever country you might be watching from, whatever kind of content you want to create, I want you to understand that it is possible for you to monetize your YouTube content and become one of those great creators out there. Yes, I still aspire to become one of those most recognized creators out there. Do you understand? So this YouTube channel is a new YouTube channel, right, which I created just now to educate a lot of new aspiring creators out there and to just share my own experience on my creating journey. I was able to make over $200 on YouTube, which I'm going to show you the screenshot on the screen right now, right, on my YouTube studio, and how I was able to make over $1,000+ every single month, all on YouTube. That is over 2 million naira in Nigerian money. This is not about the country, this is about sharing my experience and different avenues by which I earn through YouTube, right? Different ways you can earn through YouTube or you can get paid on YouTube. Now, the number one avenue you can use in making money on YouTube is through the YouTube monetization program. Now, it is of no news that you have to get over 4,000 watch time hours and over 1,000 subscribers if you are trying to monetize your content, right? You have to be creating content for some while to be able to meet this threshold and get monetized. You have to have this at the back of your mind if you are trying to create content to make money on YouTube, right? So a lot of people do think getting 4,000 watch time hour is a mountain and it's somehow hard to get, but I want you to understand that if you are focused and determined and you are strategic about your content, do you understand, then you can actually get it within a short time frame. And whenever you get it, you get it. Your goal is your goal, right? And you can see my YouTube studio right now. I am qualified to receive my next payment. Now, the second way you can monetize your YouTube channel or get paid on YouTube is brand deals, right? A lot of creators do get brand deals from a lot of companies who want you to post content about their business, about their organizations, about their platforms, and you get paid per video or commission. Is either they pay you per video or they pay you per, people who signed up through your video. So it is very good to be clear on what kind of deal you want to sign. Now, the third way you can make money on YouTube, which I do make money on YouTube, is people who chat you from your YouTube channel through your email. That's why it's very, very important to leave a form of contact on your YouTube account, right? If you are creating a content that is relating to, website design, tech, and so much more like that, nails and hair, a lot of potential clients that will try to contact you through your email or Instagram to buy your product or service. It is very, very important you leave a form of contact on your YouTube channel. Either you have 50 subscribers, 10 subscribers or more, you can hit a jackpot at any time if you have a good form of content, a good strategic way of doing YouTube marketing, and a good service, right? You showcase yourself in the best way. So another way you can make money on YouTube, get paid on YouTube, is by creating a course, a master class, teaching people some things you've been able to learn, your experience, something, creating a kind of a premium program about what you create on your YouTube channel. Like people who want to see something premium, they can be able to have a page they are going to click on in your description box to actually sign up for your mentorship program. So there are different avenues, different opportunities to make money or get paid on YouTube. You just need to be strategic and know the one you want to aim for, right? So on this channel, I'm going to be sharing you my journey on YouTube, growing your YouTube channel, getting more views, sharing my experience. So if you are trying to grow as a creator, you're a small YouTube channel creator, then feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button, share your experience below, and ask your questions, and I'll show you more. Thank you.